commerce. Why we will study commerce? What are the benefits we will get in future? What are the career opportunities, career enhancement opportunities in commerce? That will be discussed by our eminent CA, Chartered Accountant, Yashpal Singh ji, who is the alumni of our school. So we are proud of him. So, and another two resource person, Aniket Sinha and Rishabh Sinha, both are final year CA student, and they are the alumni of our school. So we also proud of Rishabh and Aniket. Now I would like to request Yashpal Singh ji to continue her sharing of experience and views to our students. Yashpal sir, please.
Yes. Good afternoon, everyone. And it is really, I'm privileged to get this opportunity to speak in front of the student from the school from where I have myself passed in 1998. So it has been 22 long years, and still like some of my relatives are there and their kids are already studying in the school. So as I told that I passed in 1998, and after that I did my graduation from my hometown Gorakhpur, and then I went to Delhi to do my CA way back in 2001. I qualified CA in November 2006, and after that I got an opportunity in one of the big four firms, Deloitte. And I was there for 1.5 years in forensic audit. And then I moved to another company in Hyderabad, which was a manufacturing company. And I was there for almost 2 years. And almost for last 10 years, I'm in Bahrain, which is a small country neighboring Saudi Arabia. And I'm here as working in one of the company. It is an automotive company, mainly dealing into the vehicles, Toyota vehicles, and I'm into internal audit department as a manager. So this is a little brief about myself. So some of the things what I like, as many of since you have already opted for commerce, so you might be knowing like what you want to do. Most of them, hopefully, that they have their career objective set, mainly the students who have just qualified 12 or who are in 12. So mostly nowadays the students are very clear with their career objective. So some of the things what I want to, which I have learned during my graduation and during my CA course, that I will be sharing with you. And if you have any specific question, you can ask me. Also, some of the, apart from the chartered accountancy course, there are some other related courses which can also be looked into depending upon your interest. So that can also be explored. So we'll talk a little about that also. And I want to wish best of luck to Aniket, and I just forgot the other name for their CA finals, and I wish that they will. Sorry,
Rishabh Sinha.
Rishabh Sinha. So I wish both of them best of luck. My best wishes. So as they are also aware, and most of the people actually do understand that being in a CA course, it is not a tough as such, like what I believe that it is not very tough for anybody to do that. You should have dedication, your sitting ability, study ability, and luck. Because CA now, earlier there was a time when not many of the people like student used to choose commerce. Like in the past, maybe top 10 of the schools will be mainly choosing science, and then others will be going for commerce, but not the scenario now. So now even the toppers of the class, because now it is, the world is all about economy. So people see more prospect there, and that's why they go more into commerce field. So now we have lots of more students to qualify for CA. And you're obviously, because of the prestige of the Chartered Accountancy course, the institute, the Institute of Chartered Accountants of India, they don't want to obviously flood CA into the market, and their credibility, not credibility, but the importance goes off, because they want to release the people like who are required in the market, and that's why their results are little low. But still, like for last 10 years, it has improved. And when I completed CA, it was around 1,50,000 chartered accountants across India. But I within 10 years, I think it has doubled. So that way, but the main reason is that so many students are coming up now into the course. So just to give little bit about better, I think the Aniket and the other person will be more will be talking about the CA course as such, because they are doing it, so they can give you more idea about that. But some of the tip which I want to give is that never give up. Like when I was in the school, I did my 12th, and I was a science background student, and I was not a very bright student as such. So like my base was not that good in science, and that's forced me to opt out. And then graduation, I took commerce as an alternate only, without any target as such that time. Then after changing the field, there was a challenge within myself to do something. And then I started to put myself in, and I did my graduation quite well, like putting lots of effort. Generally, you don't do that in graduation. And then initially, I was not very much into looking forward to do CA, because I also understood my limitations, and I was not very sure about that, whether I will be able to complete. I didn't find myself capable of that. But obviously in life, always you need some motivators, and there were some motivators for me also. Obviously your teachers always. So there was one of the teacher in my coaching classes who encouraged me, and who forced me, in fact, indirectly, I can say that, to do CA. So I decided to go for that. So that was a tough decision to make. But then again, once I joined, I diverted, like my direction little diverted in the beginning. Then I focused myself, and I was lucky to qualify like in the first attempt in CA final, both group. So like every time what I have felt, like, there is nothing called late. Like you can always decide anytime and do it. Like anything what you have decided want to do in life, it is never too late. Yeah, obviously when you do the things little later, you will get the targets or achievements or the things you want to achieve in your life little late. Like nowadays, CAs are getting qualification in 23, 24 years of age. But since I took that call much later, I completed that at the age of 29. So it was late, but actually, finally, I did something with my career. So it is very important to focus, and you think that you can do it. So there is nothing called that it is too late. So anytime you can just decide, and you should be determined to do it, and you have to put the efforts and leave everything to God. Obviously, the hard work always pays off. So it pays off, and it paid for me also. And hopefully, like for the other students also, it should be the same. So only thing is that you should be dedicated towards your studies. You should be taking guidance from a proper channel, and try to stick to your target. You should be like what I always used to say to the students, that you should be very selfish in terms of education when you are into higher education. Selfish in the mean, not in the real life, but when it comes to your education, you should be believing in yourself, and you should be working towards that only, for whatever means you can do that. Obviously, right means only you will be always doing when you want to do a good education. So that is my tip for doing any courses or any career related professional course what you want to do. So apart from chartered accountants, as I told that I also thought of other options. Initial my thought was to do CWA. The name has actually now changed, as earlier it was cost accountancy something, now it is cost and management accounting. So it is same like CA. Obviously the scope of the cost accountant are limited because they are mostly used in the manufacturing companies where the manufacturing happens. But when you do CA, you have the scope everywhere. Like you have the scope in accountancy, you have the scope in audit firms, you have the scope to have your own practice, and you can be expert in taxation. And since we also study costing also, so you can be expert in costing also. So CA gives little more opportunity for the students. That's why it is regarded like little more than cost accountancy. There is another similar degree, which is a professional degree, which is company secretary. It has got little more limited, I mean, the demand in the market because of the specific requirement as an expert about the aspect of the company, managing the company affairs of the company, as such helping the management to take a record of the things, how the things are happening. So obviously those things are also very limited with the company. Not all the companies will have it. And it is also not mandatory, like CAs as such, like your company, any company having exceeds the turnover has to get the accounts audited. So obviously the audit can be done only by the chartered accountants. So statutory audit or internal audit. So that's why that scope is more. But other fields are equally, like you have the opportunity. Thing is that you have to decide what you are capable of doing and always think little more than what you want to achieve. Like if you, what I am trying to say, if you target for 10, then only maybe you can achieve 8 or 7. If you target little less, then maybe not. The second important thing what I want to mention when somebody decides to do CA, what I have learned that I had, like many of you might have heard that many people are doing CAs and they are not able to qualify. So after that, after a period of time, you cannot do anything. Like you just want to stick to that. You can't start anything new. But what I believe, when you are doing a CA course, which is like because it is not a selection, it is a rejection. Like you have so many numbers and you have to limit to it some specific number. So that way you should be lucky enough to be in that limited number. So that will not happen with everybody. So you have to set a target, like like attempts or years, how many years or how many attempts you will try. After that, you will change to plan B. So there should be always, when somebody decides to do a CA course or even the CS and the CWA, there has to be plan B. And for that, it is important, this is my view, that when somebody wants to do CA or the CS or CWA, they have to first complete their graduation, because like that is a key for any other professional qualification. So some people, like very dedicated, they feel that they can qualify and they go with the foundation. They don't do graduation. I have seen many examples, like people will start the CA, as you might be aware. Some people might be aware that CA can be done after 12th also and after graduation also. When you do after 12th, you have a foundation type of thing, which is now CPT, and then you have the main course. So once somebody do the foundation and they enter into the main subject, like main course, they are not like doing the graduation and all. And after maybe 1 attempt, 3 attempts, 4 attempts, 5 attempts, after 2 years, 3 years, you feel that it is not your cup of tea. I mean the CA. So once then you become clueless because you don't have the graduation degree. Then you start afresh, and then it is little too late. So it is always preferred, as per my view, that it is better to complete your graduation. When you are doing your graduation, you can simultaneously prepare for CAs or whatever professional degree you have decided. But there should be plan B always. So this is few of the things. Anybody wanted to know something about this, what I have spoken about till now? And maybe Aniket and the Rishabh, I hope the name is correct.
Yes, sir.
So they can append on this and they can add like what they want to add on.
Hello, may I
Okay. So wait, Aniket, 1 minute.
Yes, sir.
Yes, well, sir, you will wait in the screen or?
Yeah,
will
I'm okay.
Okay, sir. Okay, so now Aniket, our alumni, the final year student, will enlighten you some about the career of commerce. So Aniket, please continue.
Yes. Hello, friends. Let me just first ask me how many of you are interested in accounts and economics or mathematics like subject? I'm interested means you are focused about account, that concept understanding, not about marks, that you are getting a mark and without understanding the concept, only rectification and getting the mark. How many of you are understanding the concept and have an interest, keen interest in accounts or economics or mathematics if you have opted for mathematics? Gunjan Sinha and again or next? Only one student. Okay. Just a second. Okay, many more.
Adarsh is there now.
Yes. Okay. Then let me give a very free introduction about myself. Then I'll start with the session. Myself Aniket Sinha, and I've done my schooling up to 10th from Tired A Public School, and after that I have moved to Holy Cross School because I passed it to class 10 in 2013, and at that time maths was not an optional in Tata A Public School, so I opted for mathematics and I went to Holy Cross and I pursued 10th and 12th from there only. In 2015, I passed out class 12th. After that, I appeared for CPT because from very beginning when I opted for commerce, I am sure that I will pursue for CA and not any other courses. If my mind changes beyond that, then I will pursue something else after CA. So I pursued CPT and I cleared this in first attempt after within a preparation of 1.5 months only. After that, I've got 9 months for preparation of IPCC, that inter, and that too I cleared in my first attempt. But at that time, I was doing BCom also. So my journey became late with 1 year because मेरी क्या हुई थी कि बीकॉम के साथ मैं सीए कर रहा था, तो मेरी सेकेंड ईयर में भी दोनों कंप्लीट हो गई थी. आई हैव कंप्लीटेड बोथ माय सीपीटी इन फर्स्ट अटेम्प्ट एंड माय आईपीसीसी इंटर इन फर्स्ट अटेम्प्ट, एंड आई वाज इन जस्ट सेकेंड ईयर. And I have to pursue my articleship from very big company, big firms, because with respect to my seniors, I have consulted. They have told me to approach some big cities. There you will get better exposure for your articleship and for any other industry. तो मेरे को जहाँ आज मेरी बीकॉम चल रही थी झारखंड से ही, मैं क्योंकि मेरे को आईपीसी करने के लिए दिल्ली जाना था, तो मैं दिल्ली ऑप्ट किया था वहाँ पे. एंड मेरे को पता था कि थर्ड ईयर में मेरी 4 टाइम्स एग्जाम होते थे यहाँ पर. झारखंड के एग्जाम that it stretched for a longer period like 1 month to 1.5 months. So at that time मैंने क्या किया, थर्ड ईयर में ब्रेक लिया एंड देन फिर मैंने अपनी आर्टिकलशिप स्टार्ट की. So that's why I got delay by 1 year. Otherwise now till now by May 2020 I will be CA. But no, don't worry. I will become CA next May 21 because I am on a study leave now. I have got 5 months study leave from 1st of December, and I have an attempt of CA final in May 21. So let's start. These are my basic introduction about myself, and in the meanwhile, I'll also tell something about myself which I have done additional to CA. So let's start about the course. मतलब how many of you interested in CA? That एक mind में thought आया था कि हाँ कॉमर्स लेते टाइम या फिर कुछ भी करते टाइम कि हाँ मतलब CA के बारे में सोचे हैं कि CA करना है मेरे को.
Sneha wanted to do.
Sneha and
Gunjan wanted to do.
Okay, Sneha, Gunjan. Okay.
Ria also. Ria Singh also.
Sir, from where I will get to see the name of the participant because I'm using first time Google Meet. Sorry, Teammate software, Microsoft.
Amlesh sir, please help him. Amlesh sir, Aniket is asking
Yes,
from
yes.
where?
See in the top right corner. See
Yes,
in
yes.
the top right corner. Two
Yes.
symbols are there with red circle, red
Ah.
point. Click on that. Click on
Okay.
that, and then you will get the participant list.
Okay. Okay. Thank you, sir.
Okay.
So that many people are interested in doing CA. Have you opted for any other courses also कि CA के अलावा कुछ करना है फिर कैसा मतलब एक कॉमर्स में आया तो बस CA ही पता है या फिर और भी कुछ पता है उससे आपसे मैं अपना गाइडेंस दूंगा कि आप लोगों को क्या क्या मतलब एडमिशन आप बोल यू कैन अनम्यूट योरसेल्फ एंड स्पीक टू माय सेल्फ
MBA.
and other also except MBA CA CS CWA other courses and not as BCom तो सब करते हैं कॉमर्स वाले
Professional degree, basically.
CS.
and other courses any foreign courses like कोई जो कि मतलब सीए के लेवल का ही होगा लेकिन आई थिंक आपको पता नहीं होगा या फिर कैसा कोई अवेयर रहते हैं देन okay don't worry I will tell you so first I will tell you about CA then how the journey proceeds how the journey and then after I will and the same journey is for CS also and CWA also and after that I will tell about some other courses other professional degree which are much easier than CA and have more aspect more demanding in the current industries like so first we'll start about CA so in CA there are two modes of entry you can move directly to the CA after doing your graduation BCom or any other courses in any graduation field and second one is after passing just 12th so I have opted for class 12 because I know that I have a confidence in myself that I will pursue and I will complete it in the course but my father told me that you should pursue first BCom and then afterwards you should after that you should pursue CA but in CA field when you are when you are coming in CA field just keep in mind that CA फील्ड एक ऐसा फील्ड है जहाँ पर आपको 95% लोग डिमोटिवेट करेंगे कि नहीं होगा बहुत अटेम्प्ट लगेंगे ऐसा होगा वैसा होगा बहुत सारे बोलेंगे कि मेरे अंकल अपने रिलेटिव्स के एग्जांपल देंगे कि मेरे रिलेटिव्स के एग्जांपल है ऐसा वो 10 साल से कर रहा नहीं हो रहा है तो उस केस में 5% ही लोग होंगे जो दे विल गिव यू कॉन्फिडेंस दैट यू विल डू इट यू हैव द पैशन यू हैव द कॉन्फिडेंस लेवल वी कैन सी इन योर आईज दैट यू हैव सच कॉन्फिडेंस लेवल सो यू कैन परस्यू इट सो उस केस में क्या आपको खुद को मोटिवेट रखना पड़ेगा you have to motivate yourself and self motivation is the best motivation till now तो इस कोर्स में आपको खुद ही मेंटेन करना पड़ेगा मोटिवेशन तो मैंने क्या किया था फर्स्ट सीपीटी से स्टार्ट किया था सीपीटी में सीपीटी ट्वाइस इन ईयर कंडक्ट होती है एक होती है आपकी जून एंड नेक्स्ट वन इज इन दिसंबर so I have passed out my class 12th in my board examination get completed on 7th on April and my attempt was for CPT was on 14th of June. I think I remember correct date 14th of June. So I get almost 2.5 months. So I prepared in that and you can. But if you don't want to give that attempt, that some of are less confident that I have not understand CPT, I have not seen books and any other reason. So you in that case what you can do you can choose for the just next attempt after June you can get the attempt of December so in that month you will get a full pledge of 6 months period so in that you have can prepare मतलब there are 4 subjects मतलब मैंने जब अपना attempt दिया था तो मेरे साथ 4 subjects थे and 200 marks के थे लेकिन अभी इंस्टीट्यूट ने क्या किया हर एक मतलब ICI का हमारी जो इंस्टीट्यूट है वो हर 10 years में अपने सिलेबस चेंज करती है तो उन्होंने इस बार क्या किया है कि मतलब I think from last 2 or 3 attempts they have changed the syllabus and they have added 2 more additional subjects but the marks remains same मतलब previous subject and 2 more additional subject and marks remains increased मतलब मैंने जब दिया था तो I have got 200 marks for 200 marks papers होते थे अभी क्या 400 marks के हो रहे हो तो उसी में डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन है आपका अलग अलग तरह का So I will tell you the subject. You can, if you want any interest and if you want to search for that subject or you want to study any books regarding that subject, then you can visit the website of www.icai.org. In that you can get the free link and free books regarding all the subjects about CPT, about IPCC, and about CA Final. I repeat the website www.icai.org. In that you can get to the students corner and student corner में आपको वहाँ पर लिंक मिलेंगे सारे CPT foundation. Now at that time when I was attempting, it was CPT, Common Proficiency Test. Now it is renamed as foundation course. So you can get as foundation course, IPCC course, inter course and CA final course. So you can get to that. तो फर्स्ट इसमें सब्जेक्ट होते हैं हमारे अकाउंट्स होते हैं, आपका जो 11-12 का अकाउंट्स रहेगा वो बेस रहेगा आपका, उसमें बस एमसीक्यू रहेंगे एंड कॉन्सेप्ट क्लैरिटी रहेगा, वहां पर ऐसा नहीं कि रट्टा मार करके आप जाकर के पास हो जाओगे, बस इजी समझाते हैं, उतना कुछ डिफिकल्ट नहीं होते हैं, इजी समझ रहेंगे, बस कॉन्सेप्ट क्लियरिटी होनी चाहिए वाटर की तरह। आपका सेकंड बिजनेस लॉ रहेगा, बिजनेस लॉ में आपको जैसे कि इंडियन कॉन्ट्रैक्ट एक्ट पढ़ाया जाएगा, आपको नेगोशिएबल इंस्ट्रूमेंट एक्ट होते हैं वो सब पढ़ाए जाएंगे, सेल्स ऑफ कॉन्ट्रैक्ट एक्ट होते हैं, सेल्स के रिगार्डिंग दो पार्टीज के बीच में अगर सेल्स हो रही है तो क्या क्या रूल्स एंड रेगुलेशंस फॉलो करने वो सारे होंगे। ये आपका बिजनेस लॉ का पार्ट है। गया इसी सेकंड सब्जेक्ट में इंस्टीट्यूट ने एक एडिशनल सब्जेक्ट ऐड किया है, व्हिच इज कम्युनिकेशन। लाइक व्हेन आई at the time of when I was giving CPT attempt, communication is not a subject of mine, but in new syllabus it is the subject. So it is included in business laws, the communication way of business communication, like how to write formal letters, how to write formal letters, how to negotiate with the parties, etc etc। बहुत सारे टर्म्स होते हैं, बहुत सारे लेटर्स होते हैं, बिजनेस लैंग्वेजेस होते हैं, आपको तो आपको पढ़ाए जाएंगे। थर्ड, इफ मैं फास्ट जा रहा हूँ देन मेरे को आप कम्युनिकेट करना है कि फास्ट हो रहा है, मैं स्लो हो जाऊंगा। थर्ड आपकी आती है क्वांटिटेटिव एप्टीट्यूड एंड लॉजिकल रीजनिंग। तो व्हेन आई वाज अटेम्प्टिंग CPT, लॉजिकल रीजनिंग वाज आल्सो नॉट माय पार्ट ऑफ एग्जाम, बट इट इज एडेड इन न्यू सिलेबस। लॉजिकल रीजनिंग like types blood relation, that if A is a sister of B and B is a father of A, then what is the relation of A and C, ऐसा like blood relation, circular table and others like square numbers, इस तरह के permutation combinations, इस तरह के आपको लॉजिकल रीजनिंग्स आएंगे। and a quantitative aptitude is up to the level of class 12, so in that your differentiation and calculus and other things also forms part of that quantitative aptitude, but your 10th level basic is also formed. So if anyone has not opted for mathematics, please don't worry, because many of my friends have also not opted for when I joined the coaching for CPT, but they are able to clear because I have mathematics, so they come and ask to me that please solve this problem because I have a mathematics. So in that case, you can solve with the help of your friends, with the help of teachers, you can get to the examination. And there is nothing like criteria like you have to attempt, like paper is of certain 50 marks, so you have to get 40 over. You have to just get 40% in one subject, and whole of aggregate you have to get 50%. like suppose अगर 400 का मार्क्स है तो and 4 सब्जेक्ट है, देन मेरे को सभी में सबका अगर 50 मार्क्स है, सॉरी 100 मार्क्स है, देन मेरे को हर एक सब्जेक्ट में 40% लाना है एंड पूरे एग्रीगेट मिला करके 50% मेरे को एक्यूमुलेट करनी है, तब जाकर के मैं क्लियर होगी, फाउंडेशन क्लियर होगी। ये जो पैटर्न है वो सारे एग्जाम के लिए एप्लीकेबल, आपका CPT, योर IPCC एंड योर CA फाइनल। सो इफ समवन इज अनसर्टेन, लेस कॉन्फिडेंट, तो वो क्या कर सकते हैं, 40% बस मैथ में लाए एंड बाकी जो उनका अकाउंट, जो उनका मेन सब्जेक्ट है, आपका इकोनॉमिक्स हो गया, इकोनॉमिक्स भी रहते हैं हमारे CPT में, तो उसमें आप क्या करो, एग्रीगेट बढ़ाओ, उसमें आप उसमें इतना मतलब ये फोकस करो, इतने कॉन्सेप्ट क्लैरिटी से पढ़ो आप कि आपका उस टाइम 60 से अब एटलीस्ट 2 में आप 60 से अब लेके आओ, तो आपका क्या हुआ, एग्रीगेट भी बन गया एंड 40 से नीचे जो आप थे मैथ्स में या फिर उसमें आपको नहीं आ रहे थे 50 से, उसमें आप 40 से क्लियर करोगे, तो आपको वो टारगेट लेकर अगर आप चलोगे तो इजिली यू कैन क्रैक CPT इन फर्स्ट अटेम्प्ट, वेरी फर्स्ट अटेम्प्ट। एंड इट्स रियली, आई डोंट मीन दैट आई एम एन इंटेलिजेंट और एक्स्ट्राऑर्डिनरी, आई एम जस्ट एन सिंपल पर्सन, एंड विथ प्रॉपर प्लानिंग एंड प्रॉपर डेडिकेशन यू कैन जस्ट इजिली क्रैक द CPT, एटलीस्ट CPT you can easily crack. Afterwards you have to get lesser, give effort. After that CPT foundation you will get the level of CA, that what CA is, because CPT हमको कुछ पता नहीं चलता। CPT आपका 11-12 का बेस्ड होता है, 11-12 का सिलेबस at your level you think that 11-12 syllabus is very vast, but trust me, when you come to CA final or CA IPCC you will say that 11-12 is just like a child and it is nothing more than that, क्योंकि सिलेबस यहाँ इतना ज्यादा है कि आपको IPCC से पता चलने है क्या है। एंड वो भी ट्रस्ट में, आई एम नॉट हियर टू स्केयर यू, आप जब आओगे तो आपको प्रॉपरली मैनेज करना सीख जाओगे। स्टार्टिंग में सबको लगता है कैसे करेंगे, लेकिन प्रॉपरली अगर मैनेज करोगे सारा कुछ, इतने आज का हमारे टाइम में मतलब you are blessed with such a good teachers that they are counseling you, they are providing such a counselors like you, not myself also, not sir also, but any other faculty will also come and counsel you. So, but when I was attempting, there were no counselors. There were no in my family also. I was the first who were doing CA. So no one is here to guide me. So I will just contact to my seniors that वो भी मैं जब कोचिंग में मिला उनसे या फिर फैकल्टी से पूछ के वैसे कर करके मैंने पढ़ करके अभी तक CA फाइनल अपना ज्वाइन किया है. And you are blessed with such that you got such counselors. तो आप कभी भी आपको प्रॉब्लम हो तो आप अपने काउंसलर से बात कर सकते हैं, या फिर आप अगर सोशल मीडिया पे हो आजकल, तो आजकल यूट्यूब भी इतना आ गया कि सभी अपने अपने रीजंस डालते हैं, मतलब अपने अपने रीजंस डालते हैं, कैसे सीए किए, क्या किए, अपने क्लैरिफिकेशंस डालते हैं सबके यूट्यूब चैनल से बहुत सारे. तो यू कैन रेफर टू दैट ऑल्सो, विद दैट ऑल्सो यू कैन गेट द आइडिया. तो आपका ये सीपीटी का ये रहा कि हाँ क्यूए तक था मैंने. एंड लास्ट इज योर इकोनॉमिक्स सब्जेक्ट. एंड in economics also there were more focus on macroeconomics part and less focus on microeconomics part, and in that major focus goes on your national income part. So in that way you can easily crack these 4 subjects, and it is consist of 4 marks. And a pattern I have also earlier told you also that it consists of 400 marks, and you have to get 200 marks overall to get at least 50% to get passed in CPT, and in individual subject you have to get 40% marks. So that, and first is CPT. And if anyone wants to pursue enjoy your college life, like after I will do college, then I will join CA or any other courses, then in that case there is a direct entry route after BCom graduation. In that case you are not liable or you're not obliged to give CA CPT examination or foundation examination. You can directly pursue CA, find a IPCC or inter examination. When I was pursuing CA, it was named as IPCC, Inter Proficiency Common Test, Common Course, and now it is termed as Inter Course. So you can directly after graduation you can directly pursue Inter Course, and it consists of 8 subjects. Like first one is your accounts, second one is your laws, third one is your costing, and fourth one is your direct taxation and indirect taxation. Fifth one is your, this consists of first group. मतलब in IPCC and CA फाइनल क्या होता है हमारा कि ग्रुप वाइज पेपर बटे रहते हैं कि 4 papers in one group and 4 papers in other group. You have the option that you can give both the groups at a time or a single group at a time, and it will declare a rank up to 50, AIR 50. But if you want to get a rank, then you have to appear for both the group, and you have to pass both the group in single way. That if आपने both group दिया and एक group आपने पास किया, एक group नहीं पास किया, then आपकी rank नहीं आएगी. लेकिन आपने both group दिया and both group आपने पास किया, and आप मतलब rank के लिए अगर हो eligible, आपके आगे भी अगर मतलब अगर 800 की मार्क्स होती है एग्जाम, तो जनरली 500 के अबव अगर एग्जाम जाते हैं, देन उस केस में रैंक्स आ सकते हैं, रैंक्स आराम से आ सकते हैं. अगर आपको रैंक लाना है, देन उस केस में आप प्रिपेयर कर सकते हो. तो दोनों ग्रुप उस टाइम में देना पड़ेगा. 5th पेपर होती है हमारी एडवांस अकाउंट. 6th पेपर इज इकोनॉमिक्स एंड फाइनेंशियल मैनेजमेंट, ऐसी करके होती है. 7th पेपर इज EISM, इट इज कंसिस्ट ऑफ IT, इंफॉर्मेशन टेक्नोलॉजी का एक पेपर होता है, वो होता है. 8th पेपर इज आई थिंक 8th पेपर इज your indirect tax. I think first paper is of your direct tax in group 1, and second paper is your indirect tax like GST. The GST comes in an indirect tax, and direct tax is your income tax, that what you are paying as on your earned income. So that is in direct tax. So these are the syllabus of CA, IPCC also, and CA final also. Only the name gets changed in CA final. Like in accounts, where there is accounts, in final you call it FR, financial reporting. That now you have इन आईपीसीसी आप क्या करते हैं, अकाउंट्स बनाते हैं, लेजर बना लिया, बैलेंस शीट बना लिया, फाइनल बना लिया. आपको वहां पर जाके फाइनल में क्या करना है कि मैं अभी जो पढ़ता हूँ फाइनेंशियल रिपोर्टिंग होती है, कि अकाउंट्स हमको बना मिलता है, लेकिन अब हमको रिपोर्ट कैसे करना है, बिकॉज वी हैव टू रिपोर्ट इट टू द टॉप लेवल मैनेजमेंट. तो उस केस में आपको रिपोर्ट बनानी पड़ती है. हाँ, ये रिपोर्ट है, उसमें भी आपको ऐसा नहीं कि अकाउंट्स आपको बनाना ही नहीं पड़ेगा, अकाउंट्स आपको बनाना है एंड सब कुछ करना है, बट एक रिपोर्ट फॉरवर्ड में करना है. एंड अभी क्या हो गया है कि आप सब किसी को पता है AS एंड IND AS के बारे में? एनीवन नो अबाउट IND AS? हेलो, आई एम ऑडिबल ना? If you don't know, you can tell no.
Yes, you are audible.
Is anyone know about IND AS? Indian Accounting Standard. Anyone know about IFRS? like only IFRS name. I am not talking about उसके अंदर क्या क्या content होता है, only names. Excuse me sir, 11th class के भी student है क्या इसमें, मतलब?
Yes, yes. In 11 IFRS there.
Yes sir, वो content पढ़े होंगे मतलब एक. तो अभी क्या हुआ है इंस्टीट्यूट ने, आई थिंक इन 2015, हाँ इन 2015 इंस्टीट्यूट ने क्या किया, पहले सारे कंपनीज को AS एप्लीकेबल होते थे, अकाउंटिंग स्टैंडर्ड, बट इंडियन अकाउंटिंग स्टैंडर्ड, बट व्हेन you see that on global accounting system globally, that in US, UK and other world also, there is a very mismatch in the accounting system, that what we follow here and what we saw there, and so in that case what Indian government think to console all the world accounting in a one single para, in one single system. So in that case, that international financial reporting standard, your IFRS, so that हम लोग क्या किया, फ्रांस यूके का IFRS कॉपी करके इंडिया में उसको अडॉप्ट किया एज अ नेम विद इंडियन अकाउंटिंग स्टैंडर्ड, इंटरनेशनल अकाउंटिंग स्टैंडर्ड. तो आपके AS क्या हुए, सारे उसमें मर्ज हो गए. अभी AS है, AS अभी मतलब AS जो है वो सारी कंपनीज को एप्लीकेबल नहीं होती, ओनली लिस्टेड कंपनीज एंड कंपनीज विद अ नेटवर्थ ऑफ 250 करोड़ अबव. तो उन दैट केस को कंपनीज को इंडिया से एप्लीकेबल होती है. तो आपके जितने भी लिस्टेड कंपनी हो गए जो आप स्टॉक मार्केट्स में सारे देखते हो, सारे को इंडिया से एप्लीकेबल है. So now is the era of India. If you are doing CA also, and in IPCC you are get to know about AS, only little knowledge about AS, but in CA final the whole of your FRC level, whole A to Z is of Indias, and every Indias, like I have 30 to 32 Indias, I have to study every Indias, and I have to I have to gain the knowledge of every Indias, because in examination also the question is not of like what is India's 32 or what is India's 109 financial instrument or etc. In that you have to given a case study, like practical case study, business where the business A is doing business company A is doing business with company B, and they want to merge, then which Indias will apply and how the process will conclude. And in that there are some numbers also given, and you have to calculate the purchase consideration or some extra calculation which you will get to know if you are in CA final. I will not tell you that. So in that case only the CA final subjects gets name change, like law will remain the law, audit will remain audit, and taxation will remain taxation, GST will remain GST. Only the FR name, accounts name will change, and rather all subjects will same. Only the difference is that in CA IPCC you will get to know only the working knowledge of that subject, that हाँ मेरे को एक पता है ऐसा ऐसा होता है तो वो चलेगा. लेकिन in CA final what the institute expect from CA finalist or CA final student, that they having expert knowledge of every subject, like taxation, like indirect tax, like financial reporting, like audit. Because why they are expecting in-depth and expert level of knowledge? Because they are giving attempt of CA final after doing their articleship. What they are doing after becoming CA, they are doing before becoming CA in an articleship. Like I have completed my you have 3 years of articleship. In 3 years there are 5 months, like including your study leave, you have to complete 3 years of articleship. I have joined articleship in 2015. I have completed my articleship August 2021. So my attempt will get given, and there are 3 months left after giving attempt. Yeah, I have to go to office and work, and then I will get the articleship certificate. So in that case आपने अपने 2.5 years के articleship complete कर ली. आप जो CA बनने के बाद काम करने वाले हो, आप CA के अंडर रह करके वो सारे काम सीख चुके हैं. आपको पता है कि एटलीस्ट चलो आप मैनेजर लेवल का काम नहीं किए हो, सपोज आपको एक्सपर्ट लेवल की उतनी जितने पार्टनर्स की नॉलेज होती है फॉर्म में या फिर मैनेजर्स की होती है उतना आपको नहीं है, लेकिन आपको इतना अंडरस्टैंडिंग आ गया कि CA बन के क्या काम करते हैं या कैसे करते हैं. आपके पास नॉलेज है, आपने क्लाइंट्स को ऑडिट किया है प्रॉपर्ली, आप 2-2 3-3 क्लाइंट्स को ऑडिट करते हो. आप जब ऑडिट के सीजन में जब आप CA करोगे ना आर्टिकल्स, व्हेन यू कम टू इन आर्टिकल्स देन यू विल गेट टू नो अबाउट ऑल दिस थिंग्स. दैट हम ऑफिस जाते थे तो हमारी टाइमिंग होती है 9:30 to 6, बट वो सिर्फ बोलने के लिए होती है कि 9:30 to 6. व्हेन ऑडिट गेट एंड ऑन 31st मार्च को सबको पता है कि स्टॉक टेक होती है, एंड फिर बैलेंस शीट उस दिन सब बोलते हैं कि बैलेंस शीट फाइनल होती है, लेकिन बैलेंस शीट उस दिन फाइनल नहीं होती है, बस डेट उस दिन की आती है. 31st मार्च को कोई अपने अकाउंट फाइनल नहीं करता है, किसी के पास इतना टाइम ही नहीं है. मतलब वो ऑलमोस्ट 1 to 1.5 month डिले होता ही है वो फाइनल करने में सारे. तो 31st मार्च को स्टॉक टेक होती है बहुत सारे कंपनीज की, एंड अलग अलग कैश काउंटिंग होती है. एज ऑन 30 हम बैलेंस शीट जो बनाते हो वो एज ऑन 31st मार्च बनाते हैं. तो एज ऑन 31st मार्च वी हैव टू कंक्लूड आवर स्टॉक, दैट आवर स्टॉक इज suppose 100 rupees, so we have to verify that 100 rupees our cash is 200. So we have to verify that our cash is 200 rupees. Our bank balance is 1 lakh rupees. So we have to verify that 1 lakh rupees. So on 31st March, every CA firm will get busy because their articles go to their client place, their godown, they count their stocks, they physically verify their stock, and they match with their system, that what the system follows and what the physical entry system maintained by the client, physical counting system. तो उस केस में सारे क्लाइंट्स का होता है, हर एक आर्टिकल फॉर्म में ऑलमोस्ट, मतलब I am blessed that I am in a very good articleship firm and I am pursuing my articleship firm from Pune. So I am a very good exposure. Every aspect, like I have worked in statutory audit, I have worked in internal audit, I have audited the clients of demerger. Like demerger क्या होती है, जैसे कि एक कंपनी है, सपोज कंपनी ABC, उसकी 3 डिवीजन है, यूनिट A, यूनिट B, यूनिट C. उसमें क्या हुआ कि यूनिट B को हमने सेपरेट कर दिया एंड यूनिट A एंड C एक साथ रह गए. तो उसमें क्या हुआ कि यूनिट A एंड C के पास जो एसेट्स थे, लाइबिलिटी थे, उसमें B की भी लाइबिलिटी होगी. वो लाइबिलिटी A एंड C क्यों बियर करेंगे जब वो कंपनी सेपरेट हो गई? तो उस केस में उनकी डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन होती है. देन मैंने उस केस का भी ऑडिट किया. मैंने एक नई कंपनी स्टार्ट हुई, उसका ऑडिट किया हुआ है. मैंने एक कंपनी क्लोज हुई है, उसका ऑडिट किया हुआ है. कंपनी क्लोजर होता है तो कैसे ऑडिट होता है, बैलेंस शीट कैसे बनते हैं, क्योंकि उस टाइम बैलेंस शीट जो होती है आपकी बुक वैल्यू पे नहीं बनते हैं. उस टाइम जब आप कंपनी का क्लोजर करते हो तो सारे वैल्यूज को आपको रियलाइजेबल वैल्यू पे लाना पड़ता है. या रियलाइजेबल की एज पर करंट मार्केट सिचुएशन, अगर मैं सपोज आज मेरी स्टॉक बुक वैल्यू 100 है, लेकिन मैं स्टॉक को अगर मार्केट में बेचने जा रहा हूँ तो मेरे को वो स्टॉक 200 में बिक रही है, तो मेरे को वो स्टॉक को 200 में दिखाना पड़ेगा अपने बैलेंस शीट में. तो वैसे करके मैंने सारा ऑडिट किया हुआ था. आई एम वेरी ब्लेस्ड विद माय फर्म दैट आई गॉट सच एन एक्सपोजर. आई वाज टेलिंग अबाउट दैट ओनली, दैट आर्टिकलशिप में आपको सारा एक्सपोजर मिलता है. तो इसलिए इंस्टीट्यूट आपसे एक्सपेक्ट करती है कि यू हैव एन एक्सपर्ट नॉलेज एंड यू विल बिकम CA. तो आई एम प्रिपेयरिंग फॉर माय CA फाइनल एंड दैट हाउ लेट्स सी व्हाट हैपन. तो आपकी ये CA फाइनल की, ये IPCC एंड CA फाइनल की जर्नी हो गई. बीच में आपकी ट्रेनिंग आती है, मतलब इफ यू आर कंप्लीटेड योर CA फाइनल every attempt of CA, every in first course like the CPT, like IPC and in final in one attempt, very first attempt, then you will complete your CA course in just 5 years, 4.5 years to 5 years. So but if you get attempt, then don't know when we will complete it, because हमारे में ऐसा नहीं है कि हमारे में पीरियड फिक्स्ड है कि हाँ आ जाए हम 4 years का पीरियड है एंड 4 years में कंप्लीट हो जाएगा हमारी कोर्स. नॉट लाइक इंजीनियरिंग फील्ड. इन CA फील्ड जब तक आपकी पेपर कंप्लीट नहीं होती, जब तक आप एग्जाम पास नहीं करते, देन अप टू दैट लेवल यू कैन गिव अटेम्प्ट and there is no restriction on the number of attempts, that up to only 5 attempts or 6 attempts you have to give your papers. You can give papers up to unlimited attempts until you won't get passed, and till that institute will not provide you any certificate regarding that. So that is about the CA courses. And any query regarding that CA course की और कैसे करना है, मतलब इतना मैंने डिटेल में बताया कि कैसे कैसे क्या करना है. If anyone further want more explanation or more thing, then I can tell you. और any query regarding this subject कि इसमें कैसे, मतलब पढ़ाई का तो अभी आप नहीं पूछोगे कि कैसे पढ़ाई करना है, कैसे करना है CA फाइनल का, अभी आप क्योंकि 11th 12th में हो, so you should more focus on that only. So regarding expect कि हाँ अभी start करें. And one thing I also tell that when I was pursuing CA, then a very common conception या फिर very common ये होता है, मेरे को क्या बोलते थे, होती थी आई थिंक, will come और I will do CA. तो ये मेरे को बहुत होते हैं ना अभी भी, मतलब बहुत लोग को मैं जिसको इसको मतलब I am alumni of Holy Cross also, because I went when I was starting my articleship, my Holy Cross teachers told me to come there and give consultation to student also. So on that time also various students asked me that whether to pursue CA directly after class 12th or pursue BCom also. So in that case मैंने उनको क्या बोला था कि if you want to increase your personality development and you want to enjoy your college life also, because आप अगर CA मतलब BCom आप इसी तरह भी कर सकते हो, मतलब एक साइड कॉलेज से BCom करके CPT एंजॉय कर सकते हो, मतलब वो, लेकिन आपका रेगुलर कोर्स नहीं रहेगा. एंड बहुत सारी कंपनीज एंड बहुत सारी गवर्नमेंट एग्जाम्स में क्या होती है कि बीकॉम जो होती है वो रेगुलर कॉलेज से डिमांड करते हैं एंड देन ही वो आपको एलिजिबल करती है जॉब्स के लिए। तो उस केस में क्या होगा, आपका बीकॉम सीए कंप्लीट हो जाएगा, लेकिन आप कहीं के लिए कुछ कुछ एग्जाम्स के लिए एलिजिबल नहीं हो पाओगे। लेकिन उस केस में मैंने उनको बताया था कि you can pursue BCom if you want your personality development and if you want to enjoy your college life. In that case, you can complete your CPT during the college life and IPCC during your college life, because आपकी कॉलेज जो होती है वो सुबह आई थिंक सबकी होती होगी 6 से 11, मतलब जनरली टाइमिंग यही रहते हैं। इफ देर इज मिसमैच देन इज सर्टेन अदर थिंग्स, बट जनरली 6 to 11 सबकी रहती है, या फिर 7 to 12 रहती है, 5 या 6 आवर्स की कॉलेज की लाइफ रहती है सबकी। उसके बाद फ्री रहते हो तो इवनिंग में आप अपने क्लास मैनेज करके एंड फिर इवनिंग में आप अपनी क्लास मैनेज करके एंड फिर आप ये कर सकते हो, फिर शाम में पढ़ाई करके एंड यू कैन क्लियर योर अटेम्प्ट वेरी, मतलब मेरे बहुत सारे फ्रेंड थे, आई हैव मेनी फ्रेंड्स हु कंप्लीटेड देयर सीए CPT and IPCC like that also. And if you are doing CA, then I don't think BCom is a very big exam for you. It is just a cakewalk or your cup of tea, just a cakewalk, because subjects are very similar and the level of BCom examination is very down as compared to CA, IPCC. Because CPT आप क्या करोगे, अगर आपको अभी तुरंत देना है, किसी किसी को होता है कि मेरे को जल्द से जल्द CA करना है या जल्द से जल्द जॉब में आनी है, जल्द से जल्द पैसे कमाने हैं, ऐसा करके। तो उस केस में आप क्या कर सकते हो, मैंने क्या किया था कि मैंने 12th के बाद तुरंत अपना CPT के लिए रजिस्टर कराया। मैं 12th से पहले ही मेरी जो मार्च में एग्जाम थी बोर्ड की एग्जामिनेशन, मैंने अपना CPT का रजिस्ट्रेशन 12th Feb को करवाया था। मतलब आई थिंक रिमेंबर, आई एम गुड विद डेट्स, तो आई रिमेंबर द डेट्स एज वेल। तो 12th Feb को मैंने जाकर रजिस्ट्रेशन करा लिया था। मेरे को कॉन्फिडेंस था कि मेरे को CA ही करना है, और कुछ के लिए मैं सोचा ही नहीं था कि मेरे को BCom करना है या फिर MBA करना है। BCom में साथ में परस्यू कर लिया, एक साइड कॉलेज से मैं BCom करना पड़ेगा, मतलब ऐसे। एंड आई हैव मैथमेटिक्स आल्सो, आई कैन गो टू दिल्ली, बट आई थिंक दैट मेरे को उस टाइम कोई गाइडेंस देने वाला नहीं था कि आप कॉलेज जाओ, कॉलेज अच्छा होगा, आपका पर्सनल डेवलपमेंट भी होगा एंड आप एंजॉय भी करोगे, साथ साथ एग्जाम भी निकल जाएगा। तो उस केस में मैंने क्या किया था कि एक साइड कॉलेज से एग्जाम अपियर किया था, बट आई हैव वेरी गुड परसेंट, आई हैव गॉट 93% इन क्लास 12th. So in that case, I am done my graduation from another college, Hazaribagh. So in that case, I only appeared for exam. I never appeared for any class or any coaching for BCom. I have never went to college for class, attending any classes. I only went for college during my examination dates, like only five days in a week for internal examination, and that 5 days in a month for end semester examination, because in Jharkhand your examination gets stretched for 1.5 months, and I know in my third year that no office will grant me a leave of such a heavy period, like for 1 month you will grant. So that's why I thought to start my articleship after doing BCom. So in that's why I enjoyed my 1 year of BCom also. So in that case, तो दीज आर दी कोर्सेज। तो आप क्या कर सकते हो कि आप कॉलेज लाइफ अगर एंजॉय करनी है, आप कॉलेज लाइफ एंजॉय करो, साथ साथ आप BCom भी कंप्लीट कर लो। देन उस केस में आपका क्या होगा कि आप सेकंड ईयर तक आते आते यू कैन कंप्लीट योर IPCC, बट फॉर स्टार्टिंग योर आर्टिकलशिप यू हैव टू गेट आउट ऑफ योर कॉलेज, बिकॉज इफ इंस्टीट्यूट का हम जब फॉर्म भरते हैं IPCC या आर्टिकलशिप रजिस्ट्रेशन के लिए, देन वहाँ पे स्पेसिफाई टाइमिंग स्पेसिफाई करना पड़ता है हमको कि आपकी इफ यू आर डूइंग एनी अदर कोर्सेज अपार्ट फ्रॉम CA, मेंशन इट, and if you are doing BCom, then mentioned it, and the timing of your college, and if the timing of your college and the timing of your articleship will clash, then होता कुछ नहीं है, लेकिन अगर इंस्टीट्यूट को पता चला है देन वो आपके अगेंस्ट में एक्शन ले सकती है कि आपको एग्जाम देने नहीं देगी, या फिर आप कॉलेज में भी उस टाइम थे एंड आर्टिकलशिप में भी उस टाइम थे, तो आप दोनों कैसे मैनेज करते हैं, आप दोनों जगह एक साथ कैसे हो सकते हो। तो उस केस में आप यू कैन बी इन ए प्रॉब्लम। So my better advice is to after get over with BCom and then go for articleship. बट इफ समवन वांट दैट, नहीं मेरे को BCom बस इसी तरह चाहिए, मेरे को कॉलेज लाइफ एंजॉय नहीं करनी है, आई एम हियर टू ओनली बिकम CA एंड माय फर्स्ट एम इज टू बिकम CA, आफ्टर दैट आई विल मैनेज एवरीथिंग। तो उस केस में आप क्या कर सकते हो, कोई भी रेगुलर कॉलेज से कॉलेज एडमिशन ले लो जहाँ पर कॉरेस्पॉन्डेंस BCom होता होगा। रेगुलर BCom आपको नहीं होगा, BCom ऑनर्स आपको नहीं मिलेगा, आई हैव BCom ऑनर्स, आपको BCom ऑनर्स नहीं मिलेगा, यू विल गेट द डिग्री ऑफ ओनली BCom। एंड नहीं तो फिर आप इग्नू में रजिस्ट्रेशन कराता हूँ, मतलब ICAI ने क्या किया है, बहुत सारे यूनिवर्सिटीज एंड कॉलेजेस से टाई अप है उनका, उस केस में कि जो अगर स्टूडेंट आफ्टर 12 ये करना चाहते हैं, स्टार्ट करना चाहते हैं IPCC या फिर CA, then they can get registered in that college and you can get the journey। तो आप वहां से कर सकते हो। तो उस केस में इग्नू हो गया आपका, दिल्ली में है, उसमें आपको एग्जाम्स नहीं देने जाना पड़ता, उसके बस 6 पेपर्स होते हैं इन होल 3 years, बट उनकी कंडीशन क्या होती है कि आप आईपीसीसी पास होने चाहिए। इस केस में आपको थोड़ा सा रिस्क लगेगा, क्योंकि आप अगर आईपीसीसी पास नहीं होते हैं एंड आप सीए कंप्लीट कर, सीपीटी आपका हो गया, आप आईपीसीसी पास नहीं होते तब तक आपको बीकॉम की डिग्री भी आपको नहीं मिलेगी, क्योंकि उनका कंडीशन होता है इग्नू का कि आपको आईपीसीसी पास करना है 7 पेपर्स एंड उसके बाद उनका एडिशनल 4 पेपर्स होगा एंड वो आप पास कर जाओ तो आपको बीकॉम की डिग्री मिल जाएगी गिविंग ओनली 4 पेपर्स। बट इफ यू आर इन रेगुलर कॉलेज यू हैव टू गिव 4 पेपर्स एवरी half yearly at in 6 months also, and next 6 months 4 papers, and like I have to give 6 semesters in whole 3 years. So this is the difference. So you can, I can only guide you. You are the best judge of yourself. You can verify and you can you can get the decision of yourself after consulting your parents or your brother, sister, elder brother, sister, or any other faculty or me, etc. So these are the conditions. And now there, I think I missed one point, that institute just ICI just come up with a very good reason, that very good aspect, that you can start your CPT just after passing class 10th also. But for appearing in IPCC, you have to pass class 12th. So at that, when I was appearing for CA, there was no such provision, or there were no such laws and regulations. But now institute, just a month or 2 months ago, institute has come with a clarification that now a student can register with CPT after passing class 10th also. But in that case, I don't think anyone will get beneficial unless and otherwise you are very intelligent and extraordinary student. Because हमको उस टाइम 10th पास करते हैं तो हमको बेसिक नॉलेज भी नहीं रहता है व्हाट द डेबिट मीन्स, व्हाट द क्रेडिट मीन्स, क्या होता है, अकाउंट्स कैसे बनते हैं, बैलेंस शीट कैसे फाइनलाइज होते हैं, फाइनलाइज का तो दूर की बात है, अकाउंट्स कैसे बनते हैं, जर्नल एंट्री कैसे पास करते हैं, उसके उसमें आपको अलग से एक एडिशनल एफर्ट देना पड़ेगा कोचिंग में जाकर के वो करो। एंड आई डोंट थिंक कि अभी आपको स्कूल आवर में इतना टाइम मिलता है कि, इसलिए फॉर माई, अगर आपको जल्दी से जल्दी स्टार्ट भी करना है, देन माई बेटर अंडरस्टैंडिंग इज टू स्टार्ट विद क्लास 12th if you want to become a CA, and in the meanwhile you can get to the regular college. उसमें आपको थोड़ा एक्स्ट्रा एफर्ट डालना पड़ेगा, कॉलेज भी आपको मैनेज करनी है, कॉलेज के एग्जाम्स भी मैनेज करने हैं एंड आपको सीए भी मैनेज करना है। देन उस केस में आप यू कैन नॉट ब्लेम एनीवन और यू कैन नॉट ब्लेम योरसेल्फ आल्सो दैट व्हाई
Perhaps, hello.
Sorry, there is a network problem.
Okay. Okay. Thank you. Thank you, Aniket.
In that I am pursuing CA examination and I am pursuing college also, and then my life become hectic and I cannot give time to anyone. I cannot give time to myself also. My friends are doing masti and enjoying their life, and I am doing the CA only. So in that case आपको मैनेज करके चलना पड़ेगा if you are pursuing for CA. Because मैंने बोला पहले कि आपको इस फील्ड में अगर आओगे तो आपको ऐसे ही कोर्स मिलेंगे कि आपको दोस्त भी ऐसे मिलेंगे, आपके मैक्सिमम सीए वाले दोस्त ही बनेंगे। आप अगर अदर फील्ड्स के दोस्त बनाओगे तो आपको मैक्सिमम डिमोटिवेशन
Hello. Amrut sir, am I audible?
Yes, sir, you are audible. I think Niket has a network issues, I
Aniket
think.
has some. So
Yes.
now, during this gap, now I would like to request Rishabh. Rishabh. Okay. Aniket, would you like to continue?
no, sir. If Rishabh want to continue, then I can. Then he can.
Okay. So thank you, Aniket.
Welcome. Thank you, sir.
For your valuable sharings of experience and suggestions also. So thanks. I hope our students will receive the valuable points from you, and will enjoy, will utilize it in future. Now I would like to request Rishabh to explain his views and share his experience with the students. Okay, Rishabh.
Yes, sir. So, every basic thing has been cleared now. Okay, what CA is, how to pursue, and everything. So, I'm telling the things that has been skipped, or like you want to know about the things कि क्या जरूरत है क्या नहीं है. पहला चीज कि like when you see the return on investment is like more than other course. Like the CPT route cost only 9,200 rupees, right? On almost 10,000 rupees. Intermediate 18,000 rupees, and like final 22,000 rupees. These are all for registration, right? And there in between the training will be there. Before you pursue, you have to like go through training, like information training. That is basically you will learn their Excel, Microsoft, like the things which you need to do in articleship. And the second one is orientation course, like you that helps to improve your personality, like on a practical level to handle clients and everything. So almost like four training program will be held in overall courses, and that will cost like 6,500, 700, 700, 750, 7,500. So overall cost for a CA is like 72,000 rupees only, which is like very less than other courses. When we compare these courses to any other courses, we find like when we do MBA, after 2 years of MBA, you have to like companies होती है जहाँ पे colleges होती है जो companies को बुलाती है placement के लिए, but the only ICI is one where the company gives him money, पैसा कुछ देते हैं to recruit us CA. So that is a big difference between other profession and this profession. And like after completing CA, there are a lot of field like you can enter. Like
Rishabh, request from my side, please switch on your
Yes.
camera so that you will be in a recording. So later on, the students will watch your counseling. So switch on your video if there is no any problem.
Okay.
Actually, I'm in an office, so that okay, no problem. So like you can enter to some other courses after CA, like civil courses, civil courses. You can have your own practice and everything. So like articleship training, I would like to focus something on articleship period. This is the most important thing like CA training could have. This is the base of your final courses. Like you can have a practical exposure of everything, right? Means like in practical life you have to literally deal with the clients directly, and you are at the age of a 22 and 23, and you are dealing to the client whose age is almost 50 plus, right? So getting this thing is like you will actually feel good when you pursue this course. So articleship training is basically I suggest is to go for a mid firm where you get an exposure of all different work, like all different because in Big Four I found out that there is a disadvantage of this. When you are allotted to a particular department like accounts or GST or or income tax, you literally stick to that department for whole of your articleship period. Whereas when we compare the things with the mid-size firm, there you get like every exposure. After every 6 to 8 months, you get transferred to another department. Like So like basically I am pursuing my articleship from Calcutta. It's a TK Sharma and Associate, one of the leading articleship firm, one of the leading article firm in Kolkata. And so it's being 1.5 year of my articleship, and I am leading the whole of the GST department of the firm. Under my guidance, I have my 10 article over there. So it's you have to like be you have to first you have to think whether you have to pursue or not. Like everybody will told you ki like from the very starting you will from very starting everyone will motivate you. Everyone will motivate to do CA that it will be easy like this. So first you have to like keep the fact figure with you before deciding anything. It's not that I am in this course, so I should favor this course or something like that. I should be, it's that I should be giving you every fact that I am facing or like many of us are facing in the CA field, right? So before that you entered into CA course, like I would like to suggest go through the CBT route so that like along with the BCom, right? So when you are doing your BCom and CPT together, it's like when you cleared your CPT, like I'm taking if you cleared your CPT and if not, if you cleared your CPT within the duration of your BCom session, then it's okay. You are entered into the next level of your CA courses or CA journey, right? So it's like you take classes of IPCC, like ICI is like examining body only. There is no colleges and everything. The ICI only registered you and conduct an examination. Preparation of your courses, it depends upon you. Like you can do a self study or you can take classes from best facility in India. So right, so ICA does not give you the standard how to learn how to prepare examination. So ठीक है, like this is the thing. So when you are when you pass CPT or when you not, when you pass then it's okay. You are entered into the second level of CA courses. So that is IPCC or like this. It's intermediate, right? When you are capable or you during the period of your graduation you will realize whether I should pursue or whether I am able to like clear or not. You can actually realize or like measure your capability whether I should go forward or not. So for that BCom is the best thing कि like BCom से आप सारे स्ट्रीम में जा सकते हैं, सारे स्ट्रीम इन द सेंस ऑफ कॉमर्स स्ट्रीम. लाइक बट इफ यू डू BBA उसमें आप सिर्फ मैनेजमेंट में ही जा सकते हो. बीकॉम इज द बेस्ट. अगर आपको लग रहा है कि आप सीए आगे फॉरवर्ड कर सकते हो दैट इज गुड. अगर आपको लग रहा है कि आप सीए नहीं फॉरवर्ड कर सकते हो और आप ट्राई एक देना चाहते हो दैट्स ओके. तो आप बीकॉम के साथ करो, क्योंकि आप बीकॉम के साथ फिर अगर आपको 2 साल में 1 साल में 3 साल में पता चल गया कि लाइक इट्स नॉट फॉर यू, सी इज नॉट फॉर यू, तो यू कैन pursue some other course without any like hesitation or like something कि हाँ ठीक है I have other opportunity. So it's not कि this is the thing like during articleship period you would have articleship में like I would like to tell you the things like which are going in a office or a firm. Like there are basically mid firm, small firm and big four, right? So basically thing is that two things are there. Like one firm is of audit firm and another is taxation firm. Taxation firm like literally they specifically focus on the taxation portion rather than focusing on audit. They do have audit things on their firm, but like they focus on taxation moreover audit. And where audit, so while doing your IPCC and these courses, you have to figure out that whether your capacity or your strongest point is like taxation or you are into it audit. So this thing you need to know when you enter the course, right? So like I would like to tell you ki, do whatever you want, but before before entering to this course, uh, before entering to this course, like put your self, put take your capability, measure your capability. Like this is the course where you can success life बन जाएगी या life बिगड़ जाएगी. Like many of them are, I know many of them like who invested 8 years or 10 years and they are nothing, like just just getting 25,000 and like working like a normal people. So and if you pass or if you become CA, so you can get a starting package of 25 lakh or some more than that. And if you can like have your own business or own farm, if you have better PR, public relationship, so you can earn crore rupees in a month, right? So this is the disadvantage and advantage you can have in a CA field. So basically, if you wanted कि अगर CA नहीं करे, this is the a tough course, a very tough course. So you can go down with the CMA. Like this is focusing on a cost management. CA is something like when you in a practical life, now you will know कि CA, CMA, and CS are almost they are doing the same thing. But the only thing is that their signature is of value. CA signature is something we can use everywhere, right? Everywhere, whether a CMA, CS, whatever. But CMA signature who becomes CMA have some restriction to sign or authorize something. So it's important key whether the basic thing is you have to think of your thing, what time you get, and the thing is that you have to sacrifice the thing. The basic thing what CA need is dedication and hard work. If you are dedicated to this course, then this course will give you a lot of things. And if you are not dedicated to this course, this course will like give you a lot of bad experience. So before this thing, you have to decide and do everything you want. And if you need any help, so you can get through me. Like I can arrange everything, or the यहाँ तक मेरे को हो सकता है, I can arrange everything. I can like give you a proper thing. And if you wanted to get things on a more detail, so you can go through the official site of ICAI. This is the like governing body this is the only one governing body. And yes, CA कोर्स कंडक्टिंग जो करता है वो एक ही इंस्टीट्यूट है पूरे इंडिया में, like ICAI. Okay, so it's okay. And if you want any help, then you can contact me. I can help you anytime.
Okay, thank you, Rishabh. Thank you, Rishabh.
Thank you.
I hope all the students listening you and they will be use it in the proper way, and in future if they require they will contact you. Now I would like to request Yaspal Singh ji. Yaspal Sharma sir, may I?
Yes.
Sir, I would like to request you, sir,
There
give
is some
some.
echo. There is some echo. Somebody's voice.
Yaspal sir,
Yes, I can hear you.
enlighten our students about the job opportunities, abroad job opportunities after completing the CA.
Yeah, I would. Yeah. See, as I have mentioned earlier also, and even Rishabh and Aniket has mentioned it, that the CA course has got lots of reputation and prestige attached to that. One of the important reason is that like most of the professional courses, there are specification in one field. But when somebody becomes a CA, he get specification in at least 3 fields for sure. Like you get into accounting, you get into taxation, you get into audit. Other than that, you are aware about the law and economics, and those things are, I'm just keeping it aside. But these 3 are main thing, which has got completely different scope in the market. Coming to the CS demand across world, mainly for the Arab countries. So this Arab country, many people might be aware that its economy is mainly on oil. And since they have got plenty of oil, so they have not paid attention to their education system, higher education system, and those things. So for that, they need people, experts who can maintain their accounts, their taxation, which they don't have a proper organization or institutions for bringing out the experts in that area. So that's why we have lots of scope in the Arab world. And that is one of the reasons why I'm here for last 10 years. So whether it like in Arab world, the taxation are hardly any, but still now for last 2-3 years, they have started into that also. But definitely the accounting and audit, like in Bahrain is a very small country. As I mentioned, the population is some 17 lakhs, and out of that, maybe more than 50%, around 60% population is outsider. And out of that population also maybe 70% are Indian. And we have a chapter here, like our CA chapter, Aniket and Rishabh might be knowing that we have chapters in different states, and also some of the chapters are there in the other countries. And recently our institute, the Central Institute in India, ICI, they have authorized Bahrain also is one of the examination centers. So that much of you can see the scope is there abroad also, where the importance, the reputation, and that is simply great. So lots of scope, obviously lots of hard labor is required, but you are paid handsomely, as Rishabh also mentioned. But as he also mentioned, and Aniket also mentioned, you have to be focused, and timeline is very important. Timeline, I mean to say, and when you decide to do this course, you should always have plan B. There can be few people who are extraordinary brilliant anywhere there will be students like that who can definitely do that with self-confidence. But for general students, it is always better to have, when they enter into CA course, to have a plan B. There should be something else also apart from, like, once you decide to go for CA. Some of the tips what I would like to give for even the whatever courses you are going to do after your +2, that which I have actually I have done and I have not done, and because of that I got benefited, and because of that I didn't got benefited. So both, like, 2 points I would like to mention. One is that, as Aniket was saying, that CA course is a very vast course. That is one of the reasons why it is respected so much, that we have so many papers, we have to study so much actually. That is a vast course simply. So very important, like just a night before, a day before, or maybe 2 days before the exam, you will not have enough time to go through each and everything in the books or wherever it is written. So it is always preferred to make your own notes, like you try to concise. You might be writing it simply after the classes, studying wherever you are studying, whether self-studies or taking classes. You should always make notes in your own words. That really helps a lot, because what happens that day before, one night before the exam, you will not have sufficient time, and you will just keep on jumbling between the pages. This I also have to read, that also have to read. So it is better to write concise own words notes, which actually helped me. The negative thing which I wanted to talk, which because of that I would have actually failed, but somehow I survived, is whatever practical papers are there. You have theoretical papers like law, audit, or any other paper, but wherever practical papers are there, like costing and accounts and management, it is so important. Even if you know everything, like all the questions of a particular subject, but still it is so important to keep on writing and keep on practicing. because the speed and because I'm just giving one of the example. The costing in CA final is considered to one of the lengthiest exam. Even the people, generally people says that whoever knows 100% question also is 3 hours is exactly the time he will take, not less than that, or maybe 10 minutes or 15 minutes less. So it is so vast. So unless you have the writing practice, you don't have the speed practice, which I missed. I like when I was preparing accounts, I was so confident I know everything. And what happened because of that, when I had to do that, that speed never came, and I could attempt only 60% of the question, and luckily I got 40 marks, the pass mark. So not everybody will be lucky like that. So that's so important to have a keep on writing. Like even you know it, you know that you are repeating it, and you know why you have to write it on the paper when it is there in your mind. But it is so very important to keep it noting. And the timing, whatever you are going to study, whether it is CA or any course, you have to show a dedicated time. You have to fix a schedule, and that schedule should not be missing. Whether you are not so well, whether there is a marriage, whether there is anything, you should not miss it. You can have a like 2 plan. You can in a normal day you will have 8 hours. I'm just giving example. You have 8 hour studies, so you dedicate those 8 hours between the subject. And abnormal situation where you are like you have to go somewhere and something, so there cannot be a missing time that you will not study. It can be 2 hours, it can be 4 hours, but it has to be there. Continuity is so very important in the courses, any professional course, and specifically CA, as Aniket also mentioned, that the timing, the planning, once you know how to manage the things. So see, these are some of the tips for the management when you decide to go for any professional course. So anybody want to understand something more? Like I'm available right now and on mail, on WhatsApp, my number can be shared, and I can anytime help, any tip anybody need. I'm always ready to do that. Honored to do that. Yeah.
Now
Mr. Sir?
the interaction, yes, interaction session will be in between the students. So
Yeah.
any student, those are interested now, so please ask your question to anybody. You can ask to Yaspal sir or Aniket or Rishabh.
I find Ayushman has raised his hand for long. Is it by mistake or really he has some query? And feel free, first of all, students, that is why this platform has been given to you. It's my pleasure welcoming alumni, Yaspal Singh, this Aniket Sinha, and Rishabh. This is principal of the school, Kiran Yadav speaking. It's pleasure having you on the same platform where we are creating students to go in the world outside, and the students have lot many queries related to not only one particular subject, but also related to many such affairs which they feel, had there been something related to this said in the school, they would have taken it comfortable. So such things, if you people feel, please convey so that we can include somewhere in our instruction, curriculum, or the otherwise assessment. Because whatever I found, I would just like to sum up before the students are coming forward. Dr. R.S. Mishra is here, that is counseling department. Mr. A.K. Dubey is here, the supervisory head of the school. Am I right, Mr. Dubey? You are here?
Yes, madam, he is here.
No,
Okay. And commerce department, all the teachers are there. I wanted to see this such kind of sessions are
Yes, ma'am,
organized.
Actually, some network problem is there. I'm here, ma'am.
No issue, sir. Rishabh, I wanted to know, my query is, since what I know, Rishabh does not have maths in when he was having his +2 without maths. So how did he compensate? Because there was a mindset among the people, the students were always having, that without maths, it is very difficult to go for CA. So how did you compensate, Rishabh? What did you do? Did you do some course? or the help that Aniket said.
No, no, ma'am. It's not like math is necessary. It's like literally, it's not the mathematic things that we are in studying in a CA course. It's a thing like plus minus division that will be a basic thing. जो maths में जरूरी नहीं था. That basic 10th maths will be enough for this thing to pursue CA. And I feel like thing on the as Jaspal sir has also said कि cost paper is the lengthiest paper he got in a CA field. So only the cost paper needs mathematics skill. But gradually, when you are in this field, you know the technique and everything, how to get the things and how to recover, how to get over from them. So only thing you need is to need the technique and nothing like that.
I would like to add something in this.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes,
Yeah. What I was thinking, math is very important. What I also feel like what I have experienced and what I have seen. If your math is like till +2 reasonably well, you always have will have the upper hand actually for some of the papers, mainly costing as he was rightly mentioning, but it helps in accounts also. Your confidence of the calculations, because lots of calculation we are allowed with the calculator also, but those calculation, if you are good in maths, it will be verbally very fast and you can save time. Time is so very important actually in CA course. So if you are maths background till 12th, it is always you will have the upper hand. I think, ma'am, your audio is off.
Ma'am, you are on mute.
yeah. Is it okay now?
Yeah, it's fine now.
So we have the system of for last 3-4 years in order to give the students some practice of competitive kind of examination, CPT kind of examination. We are conducting a paper target 50 for standard 11 and 12 students that has grant, LR is also there, and in accounts completely MCQ kind of question. But what is more important, we find that is the interest of the student. If you have that fire, because if you do not have that fire in the belly, no one else can give you so many. We are fine.
Yeah, true. I agree with that because see, as I mentioned in the beginning, also there can be a delay, but some point of time that fire in the belly, as you are rightly mentioning, has to be there, has to come. Unless it comes, then nothing will motivate. It's like self motivation is the best motivation. The other things are secondary. So that timing, like the earliest it happens, the more faster you get it. So it's like that.
Today we have this session for 3 batches. Standard level B means present commerce starting year. 12B means those who are going to write the examination in the year 2021. And the pass out batch of commerce, because these 3 years, we feel that they would be very close to if they have some aspiration of becoming CA or CS and all those. So the presence of the students, it is not very good. But when you people are giving your mail ID, your number, that alumni department of R, they will be keeping, and I'm sure that your younger brothers and sisters for whom you have spared your golden precious time, they would be getting some this path to move ahead and move forward. From my side, Dr. Mishra, thank you very much to all. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you for your valuable words. So now, any student, do you want to interact? Any student? Any queries? Any queries from the students? Yes, Gunjan. Students, am I audible? Gunjan, Jack. Hello.
We can wind up the session then. We can wind up the session because I think it's done.
Okay, okay, ma'am.
No issue. I would like to just mention that anytime any student, maybe like I was also like that only, very shy in asking questions and all. So I do understand that. So I really welcome that if somebody wants to contact me personally on my phone, on my WhatsApp, on my mail, I'm free to help. So I'm okay with that actually. If somebody doesn't want to ask question now, later or personally, they can ask some things, any tip. I will be happy to.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I will share the email ID and phone number of Yaspalji and Niket and also Rishabh. So in the class group. So if anybody, not only the two present class group, 11B, 12B and pass out 12B, I will share the email ID and phone numbers of these 3 resource person. So students, if you have any queries, you get it ready and you can ask them anytime. So thanks. Thanks. Yes, yes, ma'am. Zakia? She was here. Zakia?
Excuse me, Mr. Sir. One request from my side. For a while, just switch on the camera so that I will take a snap.
Okay.
I'm trying to camera.
Dubey sir, Mr. Sir, Yaspal sir, please switch on the camera.
Yeah, I have switched on.
You also?
Yes, sir.
Ajit Dubey sir. Okay, thank you, sir.
Thank you very much.
Thank you so much.
So thanks to all. And I hope in near future, I may also, the school may require your help, Yaspal sir. And
sure, definitely. Anytime, ready to help.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Thank you so much for giving this opportunity, and it was really great. And this is really great initiative, actually. As I think Rishabh was, Aniket was mentioning that we never had such privileges, and really the students should be lucky to have all this. And really good initiative. Appreciate that.
All credit goes to principal ma'am.
Hello, thank you, ma'am.
Principal ma'am instigate me to arrange such type of account. So yeah, again, because the principal ma'am always tries to do a lot of things for the students, and she wants the class 12 student must be in smart.
Yeah.
So we are trying to.
Yeah,
do
Aniket
this.
wanted to say something.
Yes,
Hello,
Aniket.
So yes, I want to highlight 2 to 3 additional points.
Yes, yes.
Yeah. So students, this is a career counseling session, not just a CS session. So all of you are aware that if a class consists of 60 people, then all 60 people do CA. This is not possible, and this is also a real life of fact. At that time when I was starting my CA course, we are just 5 friends starting CA, and now after in CA finally 2 reached, and rest all left CA because they think that they are not cup of tea. CA is not their cup of tea, so etc. So apart from CA, there are other few courses also. Apart from CA, CS, and CWA, I just like to highlight, just to give a brief idea about that. And later, if you want additional details, you can contact me, or you can search on Google also. Like first one is CFA course. Like in CA, the passing percentage very low, and it is a really a difficult, difficult, not intelligence wise, but the course is such a vast course that it's become difficult to crack. So apart from CA, there are one CFA course, Chartered Financial Analyst. It's a US based course, and CPA, Chartered Proficiency and Accountant. It's like a US CPA course. In that, the passing percentage is also very high, like 30 to 30, and this also consists of the 3 levels. CFA consists of 3 level examination: beginning, medium, and CF and final. And In that, paper consists of 10 papers, like your economics, your accounts, your quantitative aptitude, your finance, etc. And in the passing percentage also very high, like 30-35% first level, second level 40-45%, and in the final level it is 50-55-60%. And it's not like BCom that 100%. In any professional course you will not get a passing percentage of 100%. So in that, like 50% is really a major percentage in which you can crack the examination with a very little efforts. And because in CA you have to give much more effort than this CFA course. So like CFA, second one is CPA, Chartered Proficiency Accountant course. This is a US CPA. If you want to settle in US, then you can get the account. Like in India, there is Indian CA. तो यूएस में क्या होता है, यूएस सीपीए होते हैं. इंडियन सीए का उधर वैल्यू नहीं है. इंडियन सीए को अगर वहां पे यूएस में काम करना है, देन दे हैव टू क्रैक द पेपर ऑफ सीपीए. So indirectly you can get the paper of CPA, but for CPA the major qualification that you have completed 16 years of education in your home country. So 16 years of education, like your from KG class KG to class 12. After that your BCom, and then after MCom. Then after MCom you can do CPA. Like in anyhow, you have to complete your 16 years of course in your home country. So first one is CFA, then FRM, CPA. Second one is FRM, Financial Risk Management. Now many of you heard about that crisis, financial crisis and financial scams happened in India. Just 2 years before, there is a IL&FS crisis. It is 1 lakh crore scam was there, which is bought in the Indian media. तो उस केस में क्या होता है, अभी सारे बैंक्स की कितने रिक्रूटमेंट इंडस्ट्री में सभी लोग मैक्सिमम रिस्क मैनेजर से खोज रहे हैं कि जो उनके लोन्स प्रोवाइडर को या फिर लोन गारंटर को उनका रिस्क असेस करे कि वो बाद में लोन हम दे रहे अगर प्रोवाइड कर रहे हैं, देन वेदर दे विल बी एबल टू प्रोवाइड back the loan to bank or not. So in that case, risk managers are very much in demand till now in current industry. So you can get the course of FRM also. It is a very short period course. After just your BCom, you can get this degree in just 2 years. Like it's a 2-part examination, part 1 and part 2, and it consists of 4 papers. And in this, but major crux is statistics and mathematics, because risk management में क्या होता है, बहुत सारे मैथमेटिकल स्किल्स लगते हैं हमको, बहुत सारे स्टैटिस्टिकल स्किल्स अप्लाई करने पड़ते हैं. योर इकोनॉमिक्स शुड बी वेरी स्ट्रांग एंड योर मैथमेटिक्स शुड बी वेरी स्ट्रांग. इन दैट फॉर FRM इज फॉर ओनली दोज स्टूडेंट हु आर परस्यूइंग मैथमेटिक्स. मतलब एनीवन कैन परस्यू FRM कोर्स, बट इट विल easy and cup of tea for students who have applied mathematics. So FRM is such a course. It is a very short period course. CFA is also very easy course. मतलब you can get the degree in 2.5. You can get crack the examination in 2.5 years. But for getting the CFA chartered holder from US, you have to complete 4 years of working experience in finance field. After getting clearing 3 levels of CFA, you have to appear in an interview of any finance company, and you have to clear the work in finance company for 4 years, and then you have to submit your experience certificate with CFA US, and they will grant you a certificate of CFA chartered holder. Otherwise you will not be legally CFA. You are only just a CFA holder, CFA candidate. For CFA chartered holder, you have to submit your work experience in finance field to US CFA, because the full form is only chartered financial analyst. You will analyze the financial statement for the investment in company, because बहुत सारी कंपनीज क्या होते हैं, मर्चेंट बैंकर्स होते हैं, इन्वेस्टमेंट बैंकर्स, वो दूसरी कंपनीज में इन्वेस्ट करते हैं. उस केस में CFAs are the major in demand, because they have to assess the company's financial in depth, so that they can analyze whether they will be able to generate a good revenue, good rate of return, good rate of return, and good business from that company also. So in that case, CFA is in good demand. Another is stock market. If anyone is interested in stock market, like everyone has seen, like moneycontrol.com, you can get through that site moneycontrol.com or app and get to the shares of it. And if anyone want to invest in stock market, want to earn money, then you can do course on that also, that NISM course, National Institute of Securities Market. So there is another institute for securities market. They have various papers, like on mutual funds, like on equity, stock market. You can get to the course also. I have studied certain course, and I am pursuing CFA also. That's why I'm telling that CFA. I have completed my CFA level 1 journey, but my examination is pending due to pandemic. My attempt was on June 20, but examination get postponed to December, and now it gets postponed to May or June 21. So because of this pandemic, I am not able to appear for CFA level 1 examination. It consists of CFA level 1, level 2, and level 3. Earlier, I think I have mismatched the name. So it's CFA level 1, CFA level 2, CFA level 3. I have clarified about 3-4 courses: CFA, FRM, CPA, stock market, and the last final examination is if anyone wants to do only BCom, that enjoy your college life, give your best in class 12, enjoy your life, give your best in class 12, get a very good percentage and get in a very good college like in DU or in Kolkata, Xavier's, etc. And after just completing your BCom, you can get to the government examination. I'm not talking about SSC or other government in which there are bunch of students, there is more competition. I am talking about only the finance field, that in every government company there are various vacancies for BCom freshers, only for BCom freshers, CA, CS, etc. So in that also you can appear for BCom fresher. Only you have to give the eligibility test, like common test is of English, your mathematics, quants, logical reasoning, and your verbal reasoning, and one is of I think quants, and I think one is missing, but these are generally general concept like quantitative and logical reasoning are missing. So these are the subjects you can get to the subject, and there is a group discussion of PI. You can clear it and you can appear in the just accounts field, finance field. You can get to the BCom only, and the package is very good. Like recently also, day before yesterday, there is a vacancy in NTPC or something, and it's got a package of 1 lakh rupees per month. You have to get a BCom fresher or CA or CW or CS. These are vacancies open for BCom fresher also. So as a BCom fresher, you can appear. Only the thing is you have to give the examination, crack their PI interview, and you can appear in their finance field. Not talking about SSC or if you want to take other government job की SSC and सब, then या बैंक PO, then वो अलग है. अब मैं बस accounts field के बारे में बात कर रहा. अगर किसी को CS सभी लोग जानते हैं, सब CS नहीं करते हैं, बहुत लोग अलग field में जाते हैं. Then after that, if you are appearing for MBA, then is another field, and this is like that. Then इतना ही था. I think.
Okay, thank you, Aniket. Okay, thank you, Aniket. So
Thank you, sir.
later, I hope after some days again we will meet again. With this hope, Yaspal sir, thank you, sir, so much. You have given us
Thank you
your
so
valuable,
much. Thank you so much for this
valuable time,
opportunity.
sir. Your suggestion, Rishabh, thank you. Aniket, thank you, and Amlesh sir, also thank you, and Ajit Dubey sir. Sir, now we will conclude the session. Perhaps Madam left. Ajit Dubey sir. Okay. Okay, sir. Amlesh sir, now we will conclude the session.
Okay, sir. I'm going to close this session, sir.
Okay. Thank you. Thanks to all.
Thank you.
Thank you, everyone.
Thank you, sir.